tonight with a ruling from the California State Supreme Court that is likely to add tension to an already tense city of Salinas after two deadly police shootings this month. Our top story from Action News reporter Brittany Nielsen. Brittany?
Well, Dan, today's Supreme Court ruling says that police departments in California do not have a blanket right to conceal or withhold the names of police officers involved in shootings. Now, the timing of today's decision is in no way related to the Salinas shootings. In fact, it stems from a shooting 4 years ago in Long Beach. The LA Times requested the officers' names from the city. The police officers union went to court to block the release of the names. A lower court ruled the names must be released, and the Supreme Court today affirmed the lower court's ruling, stating this: in a case which concerns officer-involved shootings, the public's interest in the conduct of its peace officers is particularly great because such shootings often lead to severe injury or death. The court goes on to state that they hear balance tips strongly in favor of identity disclosure and against the personal privacy interests of the officers involved. Clearly, this could have an impact here, with Salinas police so far not releasing the names of the two officers involved in the May 9th shooting at Mi Pueblo, where Osman Hernandez died, nor the names of the officers involved in last Tuesday's shooting, where Carlos Mejia died, although Chief McMillan has said that one of the officers had been involved in 3 other shootings. In light of today's court ruling, this afternoon, KSBW formally requested Salinas Police Chief Kelly McMillan to release the names of the officers involved in both shootings and any incident reports related to those. The chief replied by forwarding our request to City Attorney Chris Callahan. He told us late this afternoon that he is reviewing whether or not today's ruling mandates the release of the Salinas officers' names. The California law does allow the city time before replying, and Dan, they have as much as 10 days, so they don't have to do this today if it is something that the city attorney believes should be done.
All right, thank you very much, Brittany. There's several angles to this. Some notes about today's court decision. It was not unanimous for one. One justice actually dissented. The ruling is not a blanket ruling that all officers' names have to be released in all shootings. It does allow for agencies to withhold names, for example, if the officer is undercover. You can read the ruling. We provided a link to the full decision on our website at ksbw.com.